channel. Today it's Monday and I just feel like a in-between project. I am working on several projects at this time, and I thought it will be fun to do an in-between project, a totally me project. And I have to tell you, last week I got the chance to got my hands on several collections from Maja design and from Pion designs. And oh my gosh, I got these last week in the mail, and they are so amazing, beautiful. I never got my hands on those, and I just feel I got to use them. So I sorted them all out. I stored them nicely in my by the rest of my papers, and I just need to start on a project. I just need to. It feels like, and well, it's me time. So yeah, I just grabbed a piece, a collection, and this is vintage spring basics. Now I gotta tell you, it's 1.5 weeks away from Christmas, so it's a little odd to start with papers that has spring basics on it, but yeah, before this is going to be online. Christmas is long time past, so it's awkward to use now Christmas papers and then put it online, perhaps January, end January, begin February. I don't know how many projects there is going to be online in between, but I just felt, well, this is so nice a project that I like to do. I like to start with this. So I'm just going to real quick what the papers are. Very nice. I love Maja designs for there, and I got several, so it's not a complete set, because yeah, it was on sale. It was a bargain for me to get it, so I just grabbed what I had. So I have several same papers. I got some only one, but I just grabbed what I had, what I could grab. It was a really good price that I paid for this, because normally it's a big expensive brand. So when this came along my path, I just had to grab it. And I'm gonna play with it. So yeah, it's nice beige and yellow and a little blue. So yeah, it's pretty basic, but can we do something nice with this? Of course we can. And what kind of a project I had in mind, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so you get inspired by me. That is a happy thing that I always like to hear. But YouTube is for me too an inspiration point. So yeah, Tammy Merrill made a Christmas box, and I just saw that and I thought, oh my gosh, that is amazing, and I think it's easy to make. So I'm gonna make that project, and it's kind of a Christmas box, but you can use any kind of paper, special. I told my mom, you should make this with baby papers and then make it as a nice gift. It's awesome. I love it. But you can make that with any other papers, and I'm gonna prove that to you to use this spring papers. So yeah, let's get started. Super excited. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen, and today I like to show you a new project, and it's non-kit, it's non-design team project, it's a totally me project. It's so cool. Okay, so let's see what I made. Okay, from the outside it looks like a box, but it isn't, but it looks like a box. So how amazing this would be on your cabinet or your dresser, or in your closet, in your glass closet or something like that. I think it looks amazing, but it's not a box. It isn't, but I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna open it first. Yeah, I just let you see the 4 sides, and I've created some bronze legs underneath and some bronze elements on the top. But if I lift this up, okay, this is the lid, that's the top lid, and I created some chipboard pieces right here, so it's nice sturdy. Also this strip, I put some chipboard underneath so it lifts up a little. Alright, so what's inside? Inside there is a little present. There is a little extra notebook. Could not help myself to make something extra with it. Just a simple notebook, but it's awesome to make, and it's awesome to put in here as an extra gift. And then when you lift this all up, then this is the bottom. So this is the bottom piece. And then this, you can open this up like this. Alright, so it's actually kind of an album in a box. Something like that, I think it is. Alright, so let's see what I made on these pages. Okay, so the first page is a closure with this little thread with a bronze umbrella charm. Love it. And in the front I made a pocket with these 2 little cute tags, and in this pocket I put this nice little journaling card from the papers, and then this flips to the left and this flips to the right. And then here I made a little tuck spot. The special days of spring is just around the corner. And I made just a little extra tag in here. And then on the back I used that calendar tag from the sheet, from the collection. And then this closes it all down, just like that. Okay, the next page is tied up with this nice vintage pink ribbon lace. And then we have a waterfall, and we flip it up. I did not put some design paper on the back because we need some space for photos, of course. Okay, then we can close this down with a nice bow. And then we go to the next page. Then we have a closure right here, and this is actually also a waterfall, but a kind of a little different one. So this flips up and this down, and then up, down, up, down, up. And then on the bottom I made just a little pocket with some leftover pieces from the Maja design collection. Alright, now let me see if I can pull this back as it was, how it's supposed to be. Yes, I did it. And then this closes down with the string, and on the back there is another big pocket with another calendar tag. And then the last page also closed with this ribbon, and then this flips to the left, and here we have a nice pocket, a small pocket down here, and a larger pocket with a nice booklet. You can write something down if you like. And then on the other side you can flip this also like this, or you can pull it all out, of course. So it's totally a long place where you can add your photos. And on the back there is the last one of that calendar tag from the collection. Okay, so I think this is a pretty small project for a nice little gift. What do you think? I think this is amazing, and I have to say this is totally not my idea. I saw this on Country Craft Creations, YouTube channel, and Tammy made one. I believe several ones, Christmas ones, Valentine's ones. I love it. I love the idea. So I thought, wow, that is so nice to make a nice Christmas gift, or a baby gift, or a birthday gift, or a wedding gift, or so on, so on, so on. This is absolutely very fun to make, and I think very fun to receive one. So alright, so I hope you like it, and yeah, it's a nice and in-between project to all the other busy things that is going on right now, but I could not resist making a project with the Maja design. So it's no kit. I do not have any other papers from Maja. I just bought it for myself for once. I love it. So okay, I hope you like it too. I will leave it like this, and give me a big thumbs up if you like this too. There is a tutorial, so if you like to make one together with me, stay tuned and watch for the tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.